Brain, as understood by the people of neuroscience, we have three kinds of brain in the context of energy healing, of course. We have thinking brain, we have doing brain, we have being brain. When it comes to the energy drain, most of energy drain come from the thinking mind. You may have a deeper discussion with people who have a chronic illness like cancer. The more you listen to them, the more you will understand that their thinking brain is very active. Why I am infected by cancer? What wrong with me? Why should I be hospitalized by COVID-19? I have been praying, nothing wrong with me. But what happened with my connection with God? That is thinking mind. When it comes to the energy drain, most of energy drain that come out from the brain come from the thinking mind. Because thinking consuming a lot of energy. For your information, the weight of the brain is only 2%. 2% of the total weight of the body, 2%. But the energy which is consumed by the brain is nutrition, which is consumed by the brain more than 20%. But if you have a very strong thinking brain, the energy which is consumed by the brain even more than 20%. You can imagine how much energy draining that happens from the brain if you keep using thinking brain. Be careful. So that's why in the moment when you feel stressful, problem here, leave behind the thinking brain. Learn to be the good friend of doing brain. What I mean by doing brain, do not think, simply do. Like what I usually do in ashram, sometimes wake up in the evening, finding that bad mood inside, my brain begin to think about this and that, say goodbye to the thinking brain, some sweeping the floor, sweeping in the garden, taking good care of the dove, taking good care of the fish, wild bird, leaving behind thinking brain into doing brain. You know, the bad mood is gone. The stress, goodbye. For that reason, remember, one of the important way to heal the negative critical mind. As soon as you have bad mood, even stress or depression, leave behind the thinking brain. Be the good friend of doing brain. Simply do something that you love. Do not think. I have been healing myself here in ashram for long enough time. So that's why one day before yesterday, I told you how I healed my cataract in my right eyes. Leaving behind the thinking brain. Be the good friend of doing brain. What is the meaning of doing brain? Do something that you love. Simply do not think. Just in my case, I love gardening. I love to take good care of wild birds. In certain month, they made nests here. Wild birds, they are my good friend. Leaving behind thinking brain into doing brain. The best brain in this case, in the case of energy training, is being brain. Move from thinking brain to doing brain into being brain. What is being brain? Later I will explain to you about pure awareness. In the stage of meditation, the best medication that meditation can provide to you is pure awareness. That pure awareness, in the neuroscience, it is called being brain. That is how to heal the negative critical mind much deeper. leaving behind thinking brain, be the good friend of doing brain, if possible. Enter the stage of being brain, which is pure awareness. The first source of energy drain, negative critical mind.